Hello everyone. Today we will explore life-saving technical details, the massive new update, and fresh features in the Pinokyo AI world step by step together. When we launch our application, an update warning appears, but for now we skip this by saying no. First, we go to the settings section because there is a very important point I need to show you. As you can see on the top left of the screen, we are currently using an older version of Pinokyo, version 5.3.5. So why did we intentionally stay on this old version? Before getting to the root of the problem, let's take a quick look at the Discover tab in this old version. As you can see, the store interface and the listing of applications in the old version looked like this. Now, to explain why we stayed on this version, and to show you how you can safely revert to older versions in case of a bug, we go to Pinokyo's official website from our browser. By clicking the GitHub icon on the top right, we access the application's code repository. On the page that opens, the Issues tab is where users report bugs they encounter. In fact, complaints about the Discover tab were also reported here. Now, we click on the truly life-saving part, the Releases tab on the right side. Here, all versions of Pinokyo published so far are listed in chronological order. As we scroll down the page, we come to that 6.0.0 version that I am crossing out with the mouse on the screen. It was exactly with this version that annoying connection errors and crashes began to occur in the Discover tab, the heart of the application. So, to work more stably at that time, we reverted to the stable 5.3.5 version. If something breaks in your system when you do a new update in the future, there is no need to panic at all. This is exactly where you need to come. From here, you can find the previous stable version, select the appropriate download file for your operating system from the Assets section, and easily return to your working old system. Fortunately, the good news is this: with the latest update, these problems are completely history, and we will comfortably upgrade to the flawless newest version shortly. Now let's leave GitHub and take a look at the showcase of new features on Pinokyo's official site. The new 7 series updates not only fix previous bugs, but also bring tremendous capabilities. As we scroll down the page, the first revolution that welcomes us is the Agent Interpreter system. There are now AI agents inside Pinokyo that understand code, set up automations, and can control interfaces for you. Also, the local host cloud structure has been strengthened, and thanks to the App Assistant feature, you can directly ask questions to the AI inside applications and get help. It's time to integrate these wonderful innovations into our system. We close Pinokyo completely and restart it. On the Update Available screen that appears, this time we give our approval and say yes to get those amazing new features and the bug-free system. Pinokyo, with its usual tremendous practicality, automatically fetches all the necessary files of the current 7.1.15 version in the background. When the download is complete, we say Restart Now and reopen the application in its most up-to-date state. And here is the brand new and shiny Pinokyo interface. In the upper left corner, you can see that brand new Agents tab we just mentioned on the site. Actually, installing and starting these AI agents is as easy as clicking a single confirmation button. The moment you say Start, just like with other Pinokyo tools, you sit back and the application automatically handles all the complex background setup steps for you. The installation time will vary depending on the size of the application you are downloading and your internet speed. But the truly important thing is that all the technical burden has been taken off your shoulders. However, in order not to extend the length of the video further and not to deviate from our main topic today, we will not trigger this agent installation for now. If you are wondering what this brand new agent system can do, please let us know in the comments. Based on your requests, we will gladly prepare this topic as a separate and detailed piece of content. Now let's come to the heart of the application, the updated Discover tab, completely free of its problems. This is a massive store full of hundreds of AI models, all of which are free and open source. Using the filters at the top, you can sift through applications that only work on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Now let's go to the search bar and type TTS, which stands for text-to-speech, and list the AI tools that convert text to audio. It is very easy to choose the right application for your project from this list, but you need to pay attention to a few points. When hovering over the applications with your mouse, the first thing you should look at is when the application was last updated. The check-ins, those green check marks right at the bottom, are a great data source proving that other users in the community have installed and run this tool without any issues. Also, by looking at the platform icons, you can instantly understand whether it is compatible with your own hardware and operating system. Using this logic, you too can find the most accurate, up-to-date, and popular tool for your projects and install it on your computer with a single click. Finally, we return to the main screen and enter the Settings section again. And yes, we proudly confirm on the top left that we have successfully upgraded to version 7.1.15, the most up-to-date and stable version. Today, we not only equipped our system with brand new features and got rid of old bugs, but we also learned the life-saving, practical way of reverting to older versions in case things go wrong. I'm waiting for your special video requests about the agents and your other questions about Pinokyo in the comments. You'll soon discover a wide range of fresh and diverse educational content on our channel, focused on artificial intelligence and Pinokyo AI. To get the most out of our training sessions and fully grasp the concepts, we strongly recommend watching each video from start to finish without skipping any parts. We also encourage you to explore both our previously published content and the exciting new videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.